and I don't have a list of ingredients right now, but I'm just gonna tell you what I have and what I'm going to do. So I have beef, fresh beef because I couldn't get any salt beef. I have pigtail and I have chicken foot. So those are the three meat I'm gonna use in the stew peas. And I also have over here some red peas. I put these to soak from last night, so that's why it's looking like this. So I have the round red peas and some kidney bean inside this. So I soak it with garlic. So when I say soak, I just wash it and add water to it to cover the peas, and then drop some garlic in it, cover it, and leave it. So now I am going to scald off these, and I don't only scald off the pigtail, I wash off, scald off everything. So I'm gonna add this to the water. Alright, I'm gonna try to use one hand, but this hard. Just gonna allow this to boil. And I think I'm going to scald it off one time because the tail not too salt. And then start the cooking. So I'll be back. This is what it's looking like after it scald. So what I am going to do is now, I'm going to throw off this water, rinse it off. I'm only boiling it once, because I realized that the fine pigtail and saltfish is not as salt as the one from Jamaica, so I'm only boiling it one time. I boil all the meat together so that the pigtail flavor can maybe soak up in the beef. That may I say in my head. Soak up in the beef and the chicken food. So I'm just gonna pour off this water, rinse it off nicely, and then we're gonna start the stew peas. So I'm just gonna add this to the pot, and then I'm gonna add the peas when you soak from last night, and don't pour off the water. You want to use that same water. I'm gonna go in with some more water. So now I'm gonna add some pimento seed and close to the pot. So I'm just gonna combine that. Cover and allow that to boil. I'm sure the peas not cooked yet, because I can see a couple of them underneath them still stiff. So I'm just gonna add some more water. Add a little more. Now we're gonna check on the stew peas. So this is what we have. Alright, so the meat look like them cook. So use a fork, poke it, and then you'll know once they look tender, you know them cook. Alright, so I'm gonna season up this now and add the flour. Let's get into this pot. So now I'm going to season up the pot. I'm going to go in with my scallion and thyme. I'm also going to go in with a Scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm going to add some black pepper. That may not want to this cover here now. Add a little black pepper. I am not adding coconut milk, so I'm gonna add butter. And if I'm using coconut milk, I normally cook my coconut milk along with my peas. So from the beginning, when I'm cooking the peas, I would have add my coconut milk to the pot. So once this boil, all the seasoning, pepper, and the butter boil together, then I'm gonna go in and taste it and adjust the pot if it needs to. If it need more salt or anything, I'll do that after this process. So I'm going to now go in and add the steaks. We just roll it in the palm of our hand. Right? And this is spinners. We'll just drop it in the pot. So you can make them bigger or you can make them smaller. So just go in, roll, add them to the pot. I'll show you one more, and then we're gonna come back after we add all of them. Add it to the pot. So we're going with the last and final one. So we just have to move the run of the pot. First thing, we have some pigtail. I want to taste it. Pigtail. Right? Then, this is for all like broccoli. Spinach. Stew beef. Here, chicken foot. I'm gonna eat fast because time I go. I'm gonna need to eat. Alright. Rice. Yeah, make a mess. You guys making a mess. Come, one more.